Now look student, the next question is 9 Roman 7 log 4 minus half log 25 plus 3 by 4 log 16 plus 3 log 5 minus 1 by 2 log 64 equal to 2. We need to prove that this equal to 2, which means this side is LHS and this is RHS. We will start from the LHS and then go to the RHS. Let's have a look how to prove this one. Question number 6 Roman 7 class 9 advanced maths exercise 3.1. Now look student, log 4, this can be written like log 2 square, and half log 25 can be written 5 square, plus 3 by 4 log 16 can be written 2 to the power 4, plus 3 log 5 plus half log 64 can be written 2 to the power 6. Now look student, after that there is log log 2 square, 2 will come down here, 2 log 2 minus half into 2 will come down here, 2 log 5 plus 3 by 4, 4 will come down here, 4 log 2 plus 3 log 5, and half into 6 will come down here, log 2. Now look here, 2 and 2 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, there is 2 and there is 3 only, so 2 log 2 minus there is log 5 plus 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5 minus 3 log 2. Look student, plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 2 cancel, so 2 log 2, and there is minus log 5 plus 3 log 5. Next one would be 2 log 2, there is 3 and then minus 1, which means 2 log 5, 3 minus 1 2. Now student, after that if I take 2 common, then log 2 plus log 5. After that here 2 into log 2 into 5, then 2 into log 10, this is log 10. Why? Now look here, the formula, since log base a mn equal to log base a m plus log base a n, and the next step would be here that 2 into 1 then 2. Why? Because value of log 10 equal to 1, this is the answer, equal to RHS. Now look, since LHS equal to RHS, last line, therefore log 4 minus half log 25 plus 3 by 4 log 16 plus 3 log 5 minus half log 64 equal to 2, hence proved. This is the answer of question number 6 Roman 7.